There are over 3 million gigs competing for attention on Fiverr, so it is not easy to stand out on the results page. The only way to get more exposure on Fiverr is to get featured on its homepage. Like I said, it's not easy to get your gig landing on the homepage because there are way too many competitors on Fiverr all around the world. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get your gig page to the homepage. By this, you can double the traffic to your gig page. Just by increasing the traffic, chances to start a conversation will be higher. Getting featured by Fiverr is indeed exciting for the sellers, but Fiverr never publishes any article on how to get picked by them. Most of the sellers who get picked may be wondering how they managed to get there as well. Sellers are unable to buy their way through to the featured page. The reason to be featured by Fiverr remains unknown, but I believe there are formulas and criterion to be decided as to who gets on the homepage and who gets a featured listing. When your gig gets picked to be featured, your gig will be highlighted throughout Fiverr. This would be a great chance to gain exposure, and you will get more traffic to your gig page. So without delay, let's move on to the criterion that you will need to fulfill. First and foremost, you can try offering unique gigs. Just like I said before, there are over 3 million gigs listed on Fiverr. Fiverr needs to showcase services that people can find on their site. So, if you are offering the same services like everyone else, why should they pick your service? Make your offer the unique one to be picked by the editor because Fiverr's homepage emphasizes importance on first impression. Providing unique services with only $5 is their trademark. To get picked to be on the homepage, you will need to offer something different. It also needs to appeal to mass segments of visitors. Fiverr will pick unique offers to show their visitors what they have. If you are offering a one-of-a-kind gig that no one else has yet to offer, chances to get picked are higher. The next factor will be on the value of your gig. Fiverr picks services that have high value in return. You may be wondering, how can there be high value in return if all services are worth only $5? This means that a high-value gig should be marketed to be worth more than just $5. Give an impression that your service is worth more than $5, and yet you are offering it for just $5. Offer something that people will be surprised to get for that amount. This is the ultimate purpose of offering high-value gigs. When people know that the return on investment is going to be higher, your gig will become the next high-converting offer. This would be a guaranteed ticket to turn your offer into an irresistible deal. Getting high-converting gigs to be featured on the homepage is going to be one of the factors that Fiverr takes into account. Fiverr keeps track of the conversion rate of each gig in their site, not only on the traffic to your gig page, but also the visitors who end up actually buying your service. It can be concluded that the higher your volume of sales, the higher chance your gig will be featured. Fiverr does not simply pick random gigs to be shown on the first page. They want to showcase those with high-quality service to the visitors. This is obviously one of the main factors that Fiverr would hold onto because they won't make money until someone buys something. So the first page and the featured list can be said to be their source of income. There is a higher possibility that people will buy from the featured gigs on the first page. This would be a similar factor to the conversion rate factor. A higher average order value makes your gig more likely to land on the homepage. Like I said, Fiverr doesn't make any money until someone buys something. This is how they earn their portion by sharing the revenue with their sellers. They are highly dependent on the gig multiples and gig extras to increase the average of your order value. When your average order hits at least $10 for each gig, you are more likely to be chosen. Remember that Fiverr always shares a fixed percentage of revenue with the sellers. The more you earn, the more they will get as well. So, the homepage is a place to boost their earnings. In conclusion, your average order value for each gig has to be high. Last but not least, getting excellent feedback and reviews from customers and achieving high star ratings is one of the factors. This is the final criteria that Fiverr takes into account, the star ratings of your profile. You will probably need to hit positive reviews close to 100% in order to be featured. Having a high percentage of positive feedback is the key. When the percentage of positive feedback from your customers is high, it contributes to your star ratings. When your star rating is high, your converting rate will increase as well as the average of order value. The factors are all related to each other, and this is how Fiverr will evaluate your profile. There are definitely other factors that Fiverr will take into account. However, these are the 5 main factors that contribute the most into it. If you want to get picked and featured on the homepage of Fiverr, work on these factors first.